So what plumbing experience do you currently have?
Well, my uncle was a plumber for 25 years. My grandpa was a plumber. My dad was a plumber. My brother, his brother, my brother's uncle's nephew was a plumber. And I had a friend, two of them actually, but I don't want to brag. But I did have one friend that lived next to a plumbing company. They tore it down. They built another company, not a plumbing company. Then they tore that one down. Then they built another plumbing company. So he's been a plumber twice.
What does serving a customer mean to you?
Least amount of material for the most amount of money. You got served!